Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Flokiceo token. Now this token just got listed on CoinMarketCap just today. Also they just finished their pre-sale recently on pinksale.finance. They did very well on that. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real easy. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. Flokiceo. So it says Flokiceo is a meme token on the Binance Smart Chain ecosystem. Flokiceo is a community-driven token, and it cannot be controlled by anyone. Elon Musk loves Floki, and he invited me to be the CEO of Twitter. We will do our best with the support of the community to push Elon Musk. Certainly, the Flokiceo will be famous around the world. This is guaranteed translated from a different language here. And have the same chance to succeed as Floki, Shiba, and more. So basically they're probably hoping that they will get a tweet or something from Elon Musk. And, you know, Elon Musk was talking about getting a new CEO of Twitter by the end of the year. And yeah, so it says renounced ownership, 50% burn. And yeah, so they had a whitelist for their... It says join the whitelist, but then they had an actual public pre-sale, it says here, where they set their hard cap at 180 BNB, and they completely sold out 180 BNB worth of tokens to 190 different investors. They have a full audit. They were audited by Analytics Audit Solidity, and you can view the PDF of that audit on PinkSale. Their official webpage is flokiceo.io. And they do have a full white paper over there. They have a link. If you're looking to get this token, you can go to flokiceo.io. They have a link to buy. Just click on that. That will most likely take you over to PancakeSwap. And it says liquidity will be locked on PancakeSwap for 1 full year. So they also have a Twitter at Flokiceo, Facebook page, Telegram. You can find those linked on their PinkSale pre-sale page. They have a total supply of 420 quadrillion tokens. And according to their token metrics pie chart here, it says 33.42% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 16.51% go to liquidity, 50% of the tokens get burnt, and only a tiny little sliver here, under 0.1, it looks like percent of the tokens are unlocked. Now, there is a free and quick light audit by Analytics Audit in the discussion section on PinkSale, and there's no bad warnings on it whatsoever. It's just all good check marks. It says no mint function found. Owner cannot mint tokens after initial deployment. Owner cannot change fees. Owner cannot set max transaction. Owner cannot change trading status. And owner cannot set a blacklist. So all sorts of good stuff there on their quick audit. Now, their white paper is only 5 pages long. It's not crazy long or anything like that. It says, Flokiceo is a meme token, and it cannot be controlled by anyone. It kind of repeats itself there. But yeah, Floki, should I own the Flokiceo token? It says, instant usage rewards for every active user. There's a 7% tax, and it is a reward that is granted to holders. Decentralized wallets only. That means like if you have this token on a central exchange, obviously you're not going to have the same taxes, obviously, either, but then you're also not going to get reflections. So it says, for decentralized wallets only, fostering a healthy distributed network and community usage, the more Flokiceo is actively used, the more rewards granted. So it says, safe and secure, the Flokiceo smart contract will be audited by top specialized team. Liquidity pool tokens, it says renounced ownership. We have decided to renounce ownership of the tokens. So 10% total tax, 7% is reflections, and 3% marketing. So that's a lot of reflections you get there. And yeah, liquidity is locked for a full year. So their roadmap is on here. Phase 1, the launch phase, is come up with the ideas. Have a team, website launch, pre-sale launch, CoinGecko listing, 2,000 Telegram members, marketing campaign, CoinMarketCap listing, 5,000 holders. Phase 2, 5,000 Telegram members, audit, 10,000 holders, 10,000 Telegram members, marketing campaign, 20,000 holders. Phase 3, the expansion phase. Flokiceo staking will come in the future. You'll be able to stake the token. Initial central exchange listing. So it says Hotbit is one of them. I do have a Hotbit referral code down there. If you don't have a Hotbit account, check that out. 15,000 Telegram members, 30,000 holders. And then phase 4 is going to be the utility phase. They're going to come out with their own NFT marketplace. And then their own Flokiceo decentralized exchange. More Telegram members, more holders. And then influencer awareness partnerships, it says. So on their webpage, they have, lots of memes. You could check out all the memes on here. It says they have an experienced team. And besides that, social links. So their their Telegram group here has 6,406 members. So they're doing pretty well on their Telegram group here. Now, their Twitter is listed on here as well. At Flokiceo, they have 111 tweets, 6,029 followers, and they just joined in February 2023, so they're very active on their socials here, very active on Twitter, 2,029 tweets. Now, if we look at, let's check out the price for today, see what this token's sitting at. I believe I saw it was up over 100% last time I checked. Now it's up over 200% in the past 24 hours. It is 218.8% in the green right now, according to CoinMarketCap. 226. It just keeps going up right now. It's in that pumping phase right now. 1,590 holders. So yeah, a lot of reflections. I guess people are hoping for, aping in on this token early. And yeah, so check it out, Flokiceo. You can find it newly listed here on CoinMarketCap in the news section. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know what you guys think about Flokiceo down there in the comment section. Do you guys think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there, especially that Hotbit one, where Flokiceo will be listed in the future. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.